Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a package in the mail today. Package that was running late. My friend Joseph Barbato sent me an email. He said, hey, watch your mailbox. It should be in the 23rd or the 24th. Well, today's the 28th and it finally got here. So Joseph, we can wipe the sweat off of our brow. It finally made it. I don't know what the hang up with the USPS was, but it's here. And it still looks like a box, so that's good. Hasn't been, don't look like it's been dropped out of an airplane or run over by a truck. So everything's good. Now what's in this? I ain't got a clue. Joseph said that he was sending me something. He didn't think I had one. So whatever it is has got to be cool. So I wanted to share this with you guys as I open it up, and let's just see what's in it. All right, Joseph, here you go, buddy. Thank you for sending this. Let me open her up. Oh, you use the good tape. It's the thick stuff. Need a new X-Acto blade. All right, fun. Let's see if you can. Okay, let me raise this up a little. Up and away. All right, I gotta get my glasses. I can't even see it. Where are they? There we are. All right, so let's dig in. It's a big box, and it has some cover on here to protect the contents, and some very nice Christmas paper, plaid. And some more protection. I'll try not to look at it until you guys see it too after this. I feel more than one box. Okay, here's one. Ready? Ready? Oh boy, check it out. I don't have this, if this is what you were referring to. How stinking cool is that? A Tamiya beetle. IB. Now, I hope Ruthie doesn't steal this from me. And if she does, that would be okay. Wow, too cool, man. Too cool. I am a VW fanatic. And anything Volkswagen Beetle is cool, or van is cool to me. So this is so neat. Joseph, thank you so much for that. Can't wait to check it out, man. A Volkswagen. I do this a lot because I've not been in the model world like very long compared to a lot of people, and I'll say this a lot. I've never seen that kit. Well, guess what? I've never seen this kit. So there you go. There's Bumblebee. Yeah, man, too cool. Thank you so much, Joseph. And there's another one. I'm trying not to spoil it. I don't want to see what it is until you guys do. I'm looking away, actually. To be honest with you, I'm looking away. Look away, Matthew. Look away. All right, here we go. Oh, this is a big box. Get some of this stuff out. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh, a SSR. Well, you done good, Joseph. I don't have either one of these kits. A Chevy SSR. That was always a peculiar vehicle to me. I didn't know if it was a car or if it was a truck. It looks like an old truck front end to me, but then it never had like a truck bed. Well, that's too stinking cool. I think I already said that. I gotta quit using too stinking cool. That sounds kind of corny. This is really, really neat, man. 2 cars, model kits that it didn't have. 1/25 scale Chevy SSR. Nice. Very nice. And a Revell kit at that. You know it's going to be nice. Well, I think this is it. I'm just going to make a dig real fast. Okay. That's all of the model kit contents in the box. Don't want to miss anything. That's it. Look at here. Let me lower this back down to reality. Nice, nice, nice. Very exciting. Can't say my thanks enough to you, Joseph, for sending these, for thinking about me, and man, 2 awesome model kits. I'm not opening them up. I like to think maybe I'm going to do an unboxing or something, and I feel like if I take the top off, it's like, you just ruined it for everybody, Matthew. You did an unboxing. But no, thank you so much. First of all, I want to say thanks to Joseph, but secondly, and most importantly, I want to thank everyone who supports my videos, Joseph included. You guys are a huge encouragement to me, except for the 2 guys who likes to thumbs down me, but that's okay. And you guys don't have to comment. Matthew, don't worry about the haters. Trust me, I don't worry about the haters. I actually think it's kind of amusing. But for like 99.999% of you guys, you're such an encouragement to me. Knowing that I'm new into this hobby, you know, 5, 6, 7 years in, you have helped me tremendously to understand the history of this hobby. Things I don't know. The comment section has been the biggest help in the world for any question that I ever had. I just noticed this is a 1998 kit. You wouldn't have thought it. You'd have thought that was brand new, and it is a new kit. But 1998. Okay, what was this one? This is probably 2003. But getting back to what I was saying, thank you so much for supporting me, guys, and encouraging me, and Ruthie, and sometimes Heather when she's out here with me. But it's a super special thing to have so many people behind me, and for my channel to have grown as well as it has. Just thank you. So I can't wait to see what the future holds for the channel and how much farther it will grow. And again, it's all because of you guys, so thank you so much. Don't forget to go check out, while I'm talking, Hobby Nut Models, where at any time you might could find either of these kits on Mark's website, because he has some obscure kits that you might not have seen for a long time. He's got new kits that you see all the time, and if you like to build airplanes and tanks and stuff too, he's got all that. Check him out, hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description. He also carries some of that cool Tamiya and MCW paint that everybody raves about. I've heard it was pretty good myself. So go check out hobbynutmodels.com. And the Facebook group. Thank you, guys, for your participation in the Facebook group. It is a lot going on over there. I encourage you, if you've not already joined Model Car Videos Facebook group, go check it out. Answer 3 easy questions, and you're in. So it's easy as that, and you can share all of your building pictures and comments and questions over there on that platform, and it is a great help to me and a great help to so many other people. So don't forget to do that. Spring Store, go grab yourself a t-shirt or a sticker if you please, or coffee mug. And the Patreon group, thanks to everyone that participates over there. But again, most importantly, it's all about you watching this video and hitting that like button. I really appreciate it, guys. Take care, and we'll see you very soon on another video. You guys take care. Bye.